welcome, or as they say here in the land down under, g'day mate. We are gearing up for the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2022. It is almost time for 16 teams to battle it out across 7 venues to be crowned the world champions in the shortest, most dynamic form of the game. Of this tournament, we will bring to you the sights and sounds of Australia on this, the Big Time Preview Show. But our first order of business at the moment is the Captain's Media Day, and we are getting there in the coolest mode of transportation in this city. We finally found a quiet minute to hang out with Mel Jones and the ICC Men's T20 World Cup trophy. Mel, welcome to the Big Time Preview. How has your day been? What has the highlight of it been?
First time ever we've had 16 of the captains in the room at the one time, and I think for them, I think they were a little bit nervous, not too sure, should we go up and hug or handshake or just sort of look sternly across the room as if to say, okay, I've got you kind of thing.
Even before the start of the T20 World Cup, one date that is earmarked in every fan's calendar has got to be the 23rd of October. 90,000 people at the MCG, India versus Pakistan. There truly is going to be a sense of occasion about it.
Is that a big game, is it?
It's one of the big games.
It's what they're saying. It is huge. And I can remember when the tickets went on sale here in Australia, and it was, 4 or 5 minutes, all gone. It just had everyone in Australia just going, oh, okay, here it's come. The big boys are coming to town kind of thing.
This is going to be my first World Cup as a captain, so I'm pretty excited with that. Whenever we play Pakistan, it's always, a blockbuster.
Definitely, always India-Pakistan match is a high-intensity game, and everyone waiting for this match.
And feel the atmosphere more than anything else.
Just we are trying to give our 100% on that day.
A great opportunity for us to come here and do something really special.
And it all starts with round 1 in action. Today are the Asia Cup champions, Sri Lanka. They're taking on Namibia. And later in the day, it's UAE versus the Netherlands. How do you see these 4 teams?
For Sri Lanka, it's what I'm going to hear. And I think Kardinia Park in Geelong is going to be like little Colombo, because there will be so many Sri Lankan fans down there. It's tough for Namibia, but they've performed really well coming through the qualifiers as well. So I think it'll be a really good game, but you would expect Sri Lanka to come through with the goods. And then on the flip side, after that game, I think if you make 4 consecutive men's T20 World Cups in Netherlands, you've got a good squad. So I think the Netherlands will be quietly confident that they...
Preparation period, so the boys are just excited to get going. Excited too after a good Asia Cup, so we are looking forward for the World Cup. And we hope to continue the good form we have.
And also thank you to the T20 World Cup, who so graciously just sat there all shiny. But don't forget to download the T20 World Cup app for all your match highlights, news and updates. As always, we will see you next time on the Big Time Preview Show. This is me, Sanjana Ganeshan, signing off.